Where is he?
He's in control room, right in the window.
Double carrier! Ew. Kill two, kill two.
Kill one.
Oh!
Well!
Yes!
Did he hit?
Oh, yes! First shot! Yes! Chicken for Alka! Didn't get the reload! Oh.
Search and destroy.
Oh, you, I can hear him. I can hear him knifing cunts around me. Or you're fucked. Yeah, cunt. Yeah, fuck you, yes. Nah. I've had hair on my balls since I can remember. Oh, there he is. He's coming. Oh, baby, give me that. Give me that double. Give me that double, bitch. Oh, like fucking. Oh my god, no, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. He turned on me, cunt. Oh, fuck, there he is. There he is. There he is. Bro, where the fuck is this cunt with a silencer? Oh, he knifed me! Oh!
Hit.
You hit me.
Did he hit?
Oh. How the fuck did you dog it, man? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh!
Wow, really? Can you kill
I don't give a fuck. That's your parents. Stop fucking relying on your parents, you little bitch.
Stop relying on Centrelink, you little bitch. This is good.
Oh, that's... Oh, yeah, just say that back to back, cunt, because you've already hit a fucking shot on me, you ugly cunt. You fucking stupid, you're a ranger. I can tell, you're a fucking ranger. I can tell, you're a fucking ranger, cunt. I know you're a ranger.
What the fuck happened to your POV on your sniper?
Oh, can
I don't really mind.
Oh, I saw that. I saw it. It just went straight through the door.
You're just a bobo? There's no way.
No, he...
Oh my god, bro.
That's
Wait, that's
capable.
gnarly as. That's awesome.